Rightlook Breakdown.
Hey, Stephen Powers here with Rightlook.com, and it's time for another Rightlook Breakdown video where we're going to break it all down, what we charged, how much we made, all that good stuff, so you can see the kind of money that can be made in the automotive enhancement industry. On this vehicle, we have a 2025 Chevy Corvette, okay, one of the new Vets, a great looking car. Customer came in on the first visit for a ceramic tint on the sides and the rear, kind of a small back window. $228 is what we charged. Took about 3/4 of an hour to do the tint job, about $25 in product cost for the film, and the net profit on that was $203 after the cost of goods, $203 for less than an hour's worth of work. Customer got talking to us, and we gave him some options for paint protection film because he really wanted to protect the vehicle with those kind of drastic lines and all that on the Corvette. It's definitely prone to damage from road debris and stuff. So he came back a couple weeks later. We did a full front end paint protection film application. So we did the bumper, we did the hood, we did the fenders, we did the mirror caps, and he wanted the rockers done. So we also put PPF on the rockers. So he had great protection, all the fundamental protection that you really want on a vehicle with a great PPF with self-healing properties. It will protect against scuffs and scratches and chips and road debris and all that good stuff. So for the PPF, we charged $2,227, and this job took about 6 hours. Kind of a little bit more of an advanced install on the bumper because of all the hard, sharp lines meeting, but we got it done in about 6 hours. Cost of goods for the PPF was about $525, and that left us with a profit after cost of goods of $1,702. Okay, so when we add it all up together, the total revenue generated from this customer was $2,455. Total time invested was about 6 3/4 hours, and the total cost of goods about $550, leaving us a net profit of $1,905. And if we divide that by the 6 3/4 hours, that leaves us with about $282 in gross profit per hour. So for every hour we worked after product cost, we made $282. Think about that for a minute. There's attorneys that after law school aren't making that much money. Some of them don't make that for many, many years. There's doctors that often don't make that the first few years after medical school. I mean, this is serious revenue. This is more than most plumbers, electricians. That's why this industry is so exciting. The customer awareness on these services is growing and growing. The demand is increasing. There's a demand for qualified installers for tint, for PPF, for vehicle wrapping, for window tinting, all that, ceramic coating. So now's a great time to get into this business. You know, the key is to offer multiple services because then you need, number one, you need less customers because you're to make the same revenue because a certain percentage of your customers are gonna opt for more than one service. Number one. Number two, you're gonna make more per customer, okay? When you're making more money per customer, you can afford to spend more to get that customer, okay? Whether that means more on advertising, having a great location, you know, what have you. But when you offer multiple services, all the good stuff happens. If you're only offering one, you're basically leaving money on the table. And there's also those customers that want multiple services, and they're not gonna go to a shop that just does ceramic coating or that just does ceramic window tinting or just does PPF. They want to go to one shop, get the services done that they want on their vehicle and get on with life. So if you can't handle that need, odds are they're just going to find a shop that can do it all. So you want to do it all. Also, when you can do all the services, it makes you more unique in the marketplace because there's plenty of tint shops that don't do PPF or detailers that do ceramic coating but don't do tint. So offering multiple services really opens up the huge revenue generating opportunities, which allow you to then grow the business, be able to afford to hire your first employee, your second employee, get into a shop if you want, put extra vehicles on the road, run ads, have a great web presence, and build a successful business with high gross revenue. So listen, whether you want to build a multi-million-dollar shop or you just want a lifestyle business you can operate part-time, at Rightlook.com, our consultants, they can help you out. They can go over the different services and packages and pricing that we offer, talk to you about what it would take to get into this business and to give you the best opportunity for great success. Whether you need training, equipment, supplies, support, marketing, you know, great website, great brand. We have marketing automation software, the same stuff we've developed for our own in-house service center. We can implement for you. We can run ads, make the phone ring, kind of everything from A to Z. This is a great time to get into this business, as I mentioned, with customer awareness being high and the demand for qualified installers and mobile and shop operators, now's the time to get into this business. So reach out, give our consultants a call, learn more about what it might take to get into this business, part-time, full-time, mobile, or shop. And hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it. Thank you. See you in the next one.